Good morning, you four. As you can see, it's Monday, the 1st of February, first day of February, and Mrs. McKernan has laid out the work for you for today on this little sheet. As you can see, you've got tables to do today, and on on the little page that I've left on the website for you, you'll see a times tables game that you can use to help you practice those. You've got New Wave, Mental Maths and English, and remember you've got the answers to those already uploaded for this week, so you can have a look at those and mark those for yourself. We've got reading and we've got spellings as well, and the spellings is part of your literacy for today. We're looking in numeracy at page 9, again on place value. And whenever you've finished your maths for today, there's an extra little maths challenge, a magic square with all of the sides adding up to 15. It's tricky enough. If you get some time, have a go at that. Have a little look at that game. And then you've got your spelling revision book. So let's have a look at the maths quickly. Today we are looking at 100 more or 100 less than numbers. And remember, when you are adding on or taking away 100, the units number does not change. The tens number does not change. It is the hundreds number that changes. And depending if you're adding on 10 and that hundreds number is a 9, then not only will the hundreds number change, but your thousands number will change as well. And then when you're writing 1,000 more than or less than, in these numbers here, it's only going to be the thousands number that changes. So that's quite easy. When we come down to look at multiples of 100, and multiples of 1,000. Again, just like last week where we were looking at multiples of 10 between two numbers, you have to find here the multiples of 100 and the multiples of 1,000 between those numbers. In your English then, your spelling is quite tricky today, I think. These words are quite difficult. Relation, famous, decision, obvious, conclusion, previous, question, curious, various, furniture, pressure, cactus, attention, pleasure, fracture, television, creature, mixture, education, observation. And the first part here is asking you to find the T-I-O-N words. And it's easy to look along the list and find the ones that end with T-I-O-N. But the tricky thing is that when you're saying the word relation, you don't hear a T in that at all. So even though it's spelt R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N, T-I-O-N, we don't say T-on, relation, it's relation. Kind of sounds as if there's an SH in the middle of it, but that's not the way it's spelled. And then indeed, down below that, we've got another S-I-O-N. S-I-O-N. Think of the word like conclusion. It sounds exactly the same as the end of relation. Relation, conclusion. So it's got an S-I-O-N. But the two words sound very similar. So just be careful with that when you're doing your literacy for today. And if there are any of these words and you're not sure of the meaning of them, you can look them up in a dictionary. If you don't have a dictionary home with you, you can look up online. Just go to Google and Google the word and it will tell you the meaning of the word. I hope you have a fantastic day today, and you've got lots of time to get these activities finished just now. Today, if you could upload me your literacy and your numeracy, that would be just great. I don't need to see your New Wave English and Maths because you've got the answers there and should be able to mark those for yourself.